I'm going to go pretty quick. This is our problem. I'm going to go over a basic rule. Anything to the power of a negative number turns into a fraction. So if I have 2 to the power of negative 3, that's equal to 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Okay? And anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we're going to be using those two rules. So first let's start. So now we have 2y squared to the power of negative 3 because this is equal to 1. Because anything to the power of 0 is 1. Times 2yx cubed. And now we can use the second rule, or the other rule, which is anything to the power of a negative number becomes a fraction. So 2 to the power of negative 3 is equal to 1 over 16, and y squared to the power of negative 3 is equal to 1 over y to the power of 6. And then we're going to multiply that by 2yx cubed, and when we multiply, basically just, since this is 1, we could just multiply those together, so it'd just be 2yx cubed over 16y 6. Now we find the greatest common factor between 2 and 16, which is 2, 1, 8. So then we have 8 on the bottom, and there's no x's to divide on the bottom, so x cubed is basically the only thing we have on the top, and I'll show you why in a second. Now we have y. So now that we have y on the top and y to the power of 6 on the bottom, it's basically y divided by y to the power of 6. So we're doing y divided by y to the power of 6, right? Which is equal to y to the power of 1 minus 6, which is equal to y to the power of negative 5. So technically, it would be y to the power of negative 5 over here, right? But we need to make it more simple and remember our other rule, so it would be y to the power of 5 below, because anything to the power of a negative number becomes a fraction. So it just goes below.